Hello there! Today, we're diving into a common challenge when working with Angular material, controlling the height of your mat-form-field components. Sometimes, they just don't quite look right, either being too tall or too short. We'll explore different CSS techniques to get that perfect height every time. First, let's talk about the default height. By default, mat-form-field adapts its height based on the content inside. This can be convenient, but it doesn't always give us the consistent look we want across our forms. One simple approach is to use the height property directly on the mat-form-field element. You can set a fixed height in pixels, like height 40 px. This is a straightforward solution for simple cases. However, be careful. This can sometimes cause the input text to overflow or look cramped if the height is too small. Now, let's discuss mat-form-field appearance variants. Angular material offers different appearance options, such as legacy, standard, fill, and outline. Each appearance has slightly different default styling, including padding and margins, which affect the overall height. Experimenting with these appearance options can sometimes achieve the desired height without any custom CSS. Another useful CSS property is min height. Using min height allows the mat-form-field to grow if the content requires it, but it won't shrink below the specified value. This provides more flexibility than a fixed height. You can use it like this, min height 50 px. Now, let's consider the internal elements of the mat-form-field. The input element, input or text area, the label, mat label, and the hint or error messages all contribute to the overall height. To fine-tune the height, you might need to target these inner elements directly with CSS. For example, you could adjust the padding on the input element or the font size of the label. Remember to use specific CSS selectors to avoid unintended style changes elsewhere in your application. Inspecting the mat-form-field in your browser's developer tools is crucial for understanding its structure and identifying the specific elements you need to style. Don't forget about using a global style sheet or component-specific styles. Depending on your project structure, you might prefer to define these height adjustments globally for consistency, or you might want to keep them specific to a particular component. Finally, responsiveness is key. Consider how your mat-form-field heights will adapt to different screen sizes. Using relative units like M or rem4 height values can help maintain a consistent look across devices. Also, media queries can be used to adjust the height based on screen size. By combining these CSS techniques and carefully inspecting your mat-form-field elements, you can achieve the perfect height and create visually appealing Angular material forms. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Angular tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.